algebra equations with number basis. Lesson 1. If x is equal to open bracket 54 close bracket plus n, and the same x equal to open bracket 47 close bracket plus n plus 1, means close curly bracket. What is x? And that is you are looking for the value of x on this. Now, let's start with the first equation. X is equal to open bracket 54 close bracket plus n. This is sent to number it from 0 to 1 because there are only two figures here, the tens and the unit digits. So the unit digit will have 0 and the tenth digit 1. Now to express this, we have x to be equal to 5 times base, which is n raised to the power of 1, plus 4 times the base n raised to the power of 0. So x will be equal to 5 times n raised to the power 1 is n, plus 4 times n raised to 0 is 1. X is equal to 5 times n equals 5n, plus 4 times 1 equals 4. That means what x equals to 5n plus 4. Now for the second equation, we have x is equal to open bracket 47 is n plus 1. The same thing, we have 0, 1. X is equal to 4 times the base, which is n plus 1 raised to the power 1, plus 7 times the base, n plus 1 all raised to the power 7. So x will be equal to 4 times n plus 1 raised to the power 1 is still n plus 1. Then plus 7 times open bracket n plus 1 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. That is n t raised to 0 is equal to 1 minus 0. That means 0 raised to 0 is not 1. In any expression or number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we have x to be equal to 4 times n, that equals 4n, plus 4 times 1 equals 4, plus 7 times 1 that equals 7. X is equal to 4n plus 4 times 4 plus 7 that equals 11. So we have two values of x. Now we have x to be 5n plus 4, and we also have x to be 4n plus 11. Now let's call this one the first equation, equation 1, and this one will be our equation 2. Now what we need to do is to equate 1 and 2, meaning we should equate equation 1 and equation 2. Now from equation 1, x is 5n plus 4. That is equal to the value of x in equation 2, which is 4n plus 11. 4n plus 11. The next is to collect like term. 5n, this is plus 4n. When it goes to the plus sign, it becomes minus 4n. And it's equals to 11. This is plus 4. When it goes to the plus sign, it becomes minus 4. 5n minus 4n equals n. This is equals to 11 minus 4, that equals 7. That means n is equals to 7, but we are not looking for the values of s, of n. Now we are looking for the value of x. In order to get the value of x, we need to substitute n is equals to 7 into either equation 1 or equation 2 to give us the answer. Now, substitute n is equals to 7 into equation 1. This is our equation 1. X is equals to 5 times the value of n. N is 7 plus 4. 5 times 7, that equals 25 plus 4. X is equals to 39. That means the value of x is equals to 39. You can also try that in equation 2. For my equation 2, x is equals to 4n plus 11. That becomes 4 times n. And n is equal to 7, then plus 11. 4 times 7 equals 28 plus 11. 28 plus 11 equals our 39. Okay, give us our 39. So that is substitute the value of x into equation 1 or equation 2. You have x equals to 37. But this is end of the first lesson. Please don't subscribe to this